If you are in need of DMV services, look no further than Reg Pros. Normally, the thought of getting DMV services sounds like a downer, but it no longer has to be thanks to the services of Reg Pros. The DMV has a reputation for making people wait long periods of time, and most people dread going there. But now with Reg Pros, there's finally an alternative that is much more pleasant. Reg Pros Incorporated is an authorized and licensed company in California that provides a variety of services at any of their locations as an alternative to the DMV. Clients can receive a wide variety of services aside from any work pertaining to driver's license or IDs. At Reg Pros, you can get your registration renewals done in as little as 5 minutes rather than waste hours at the DMV. Whether you are an individual or a business, Reg Pros has services to suit your needs, providing title transfers, plates, and stickers on the spot, replacement credentials, out-of-state transfers, moving permits, even dealer services. Need help processing salvage and junk vehicle transactions? Reg Pros can help with that as well. Other services include VIN verifications, lien sales, and MSOs. The staff is bilingual and can help you in English or Spanish. This business model is one of a kind, changing the way people handle DMV transactions. Reg Pros has been serving Californians since its inception in 2017 and is accredited by the Better Business Bureau. The staff have over 7 years of experience helping clients with their needs, and the business has a trusted name in the industry for providing quality care. Gone are the days of standing in long lines for the DMV, only to find out that you didn't bring all of the right paperwork. You can get in and out quickly thanks to Reg Pros and spend time doing what you enjoy. Life is short. Don't spend your time at the DMV. Skipping the line has never been easier. Forget about wasting your day for inefficient services that take way too long. See what all of the hype is about. Reg Pros has excellent reviews from satisfied clients who saved a tremendous amount of time that normally would have been spent at the DMV. Not only are the staff knowledgeable and efficient, but they also are friendly and work meticulously to meet the needs of their customers. It's impossible to find a service like this with the DMV. It's time to experience how fast the process can be. You have to see it to believe it. After your first visit, you will know exactly why hundreds of people trust Reg Pros to complete their registration. It's a dream come true. Visit regprosca.com for more information.